Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today I will try to make you understand the very first chapter, which is food, of your science book of standard 6. So let's start now. As we all are aware that we need energy for doing work in our daily life, and this energy is given by food. Food gives us nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, and these nutrients are responsible for growth of our body and also heals our body when we are injured or ill. So the next function of food is that it keeps us healthy and make our immune system strong, which helps us to fight against diseases. We need food for our survival. Without food, we cannot survive. Now we will see what are ingredients. Ingredients are the material required to prepare the dish, and the common ingredients which are used for cooking food are water, salt, sugar, spices, milk, vegetable, fruit, egg, chicken, and oil. As we see in the picture, these are different ingredients which we generally require for cooking food. And if we want to cook rice, we need raw rice and water. So raw rice and water are the ingredients for cooking food, rice. So now we understood what actually ingredients are. And here are some varieties of food which we use to eat. So now we will move to next topic, that is sources of food, or where does the food comes from. So there are two main sources of food, that are plants and animals. Now we will see plant products as sources of food. So from plants we obtain different food products like rice, tea, coffee, wheat, sugar, vegetables, fruit, spices and many more things. So in order to obtain food from plants, we do agriculture. Then we obtain these different food products from plants. So now we will see the edible parts of plants. Edible part of plants are those parts of plant which we use to eat, like flowers, leaves, fruits, stem and roots. The example of flower is cauliflower, and the example of leaf is spinach, and the example of fruit is tomato, and the stem is potato, and the example of root is carrot. Now animal products as source of food. So from animal we also obtain different varieties of food like flesh of chicken, mutton, milk, egg, butter, fish, cheese, meat, yogurt, and many more things. And in order to obtain these foods from animal, we do animal husbandry. Now we will try to understand different types of animals, and we will differentiate these animals into different categories on the basis of their food habits. So the animals are differentiated into three main categories, which are herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. What are herbivorous animal? So first of all we will know what is herbivorous. What are herbivorous animal? Those animals that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivorous animals. They never eat flesh of other animals. For example, rabbit, cow, ox. And next, what are carnivorous animals? Those animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals, and they never eat plant and plant products. For example, lion, tiger, crocodile. Now, what are omnivorous animals? These animals prefer to eat both plants and animals. For example, crow and human. Now, here we will see some steps for making sprouts. At first, take some dry grams, then take a small container filled with water and dip the grams into it and leave it for overnight. Next day, drain the water and wrap the grams into wet cotton cloth and keep it for 1 to 2 days. Therefore, thereafter, you will observe a small white structure growth out from the grams. And these small outgrowths structure is called sprouts. Now next step is for making honey by honeybees. For making honey, the bees requires flower nectar or flower juice, which they collect from flower and store them into beehives. And thereafter, we extract honey from beehives. So thank you for watching my channel. See you in the next video.